Before you create a dynamic object role, you'll first need to create a new dynamic object app from the developers page in admin settings. Once created, navigate to the features page and click to see all dynamic object configurations. Here you'll see all dynamic object configurations that you've already set up. Click the Create a Role button here to begin configuring your role. You'll see this pop up where you can select the company or workspace in which to generate your dynamic object. Select Go to Role to navigate to the auto-populated role template. This role will allow you to dynamically configure when and where your dynamic objects will appear. Enter your preferred role configuration for creating your application's dynamic objects. Similar to other roles, you can define the triggers, the conditions, and the actions of your role. If you're creating a company role, dynamic objects will be generated for conversations located in any shared or individual inboxes. If you're creating a workspace role, dynamic objects will be generated for conversations located in the selected shared inboxes. A common configuration is to trigger the role whenever inbound messages are received or a new comment is added to a conversation. If the conversation is in the inboxes that the dynamic object should apply to, you may specify the creation of one or multiple dynamic objects to apply. Use the drop-down for Create Dynamic Objects Rule action to define this behavior. A dynamic objects role can be adjusted or deactivated at any time. However, keep in mind that a rule is required for an application's dynamic objects to appear in conversations.